Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on what will happen to Umkoka the case this coming week. Monday, Kabisile finally frees herself from all the secrets she's been harboring. The Mutembus are shocked by the result of the autopsy, and Mazungu shares a piece of information to Mapalala that leaves him taken aback. Tuesday, Kabisile confesses about what Mam Zobe made her do. Lwazi stands up for Kabi. Mam Zobe is ready to make a run for it to avoid punishment. Wednesday, the Mutembu family faces a shocking revelation that will change their lives forever. Kabisile's world crumbles as her darkest secret is exposed. Thursday, the Mutembu's world is turned upside down while Mam Zobe and Kabisile battle with their past and husband does the unthinkable. Friday, Mutembu appears to Mabusi with a warning regarding the search of Mzobe's body. Kabisile weighing down by guilt, questioning her place in the family, while a fearing confirmation between Mazungu and Mam Zombe interrupts. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.